Hi guys, I just got this package and I think this is the wrench I'm going to restore. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Yeah, that's the thing. Nice old pipe wrench, number 14. Okay, let's get on it. In this project I'm gonna try electrolysis for the first time. I know that most of guys they use car battery charger, but I don't have it. But also I've seen another video on YouTube where the guy using chargers with as little as 1 amp to do that process. And I got something bigger than that. I got this AC adapter, 2.67 amperes. Just got it for $4 in Value Village. And that's gonna be our power supply. And as anode, I'm gonna use this 1/4-inch round rod, uncoated. There's no plating on it. That's what you need. So as you see guys, reaction is going pretty good. And I'm using this little power adapter, so you don't even need to buy bulky stuff, I guess. And that cost me only $4. So I'm gonna leave it in there for a couple hours and see what it does. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is half hour later. This method works incredibly quick. So fast. Look at that solution, it's so dark I almost can't see anything in it. That electrolysis kicks that rust so quick. I'm definitely gonna use that method quite often in the future. It's been going for about an hour right now. and I'm gonna call it good. Let's wash it in water with dishwashing liquid and see the result. I'm pretty excited. So I washed it in hot water with soap, with wire brush, and look at that. Looks pretty cool. All the rust gone. Alright fellas, another restoration in the books. I underestimated this project and it took me way much time than I have expected. There was too much sanding involved. The result, however, is quite satisfying. There is some imperfections, of course, but overall it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you wish to support my channel to see more interesting content more often, please visit my Patreon page. I'll leave you the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I see you in next one. Bye now.